The SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool used to identify and evaluate the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats associated with a business venture, project, or decision. It provides a structured framework for assessing both internal and external factors that may impact the success of an endeavor. Strengths. Internal factors that contribute positively to achieving objectives or competitive advantage. These could include resources, capabilities, expertise, unique selling propositions, or positive attributes of the organization or project. Weaknesses. Internal factors that hinder the achievement of objectives or create disadvantages compared to competitors. These might include resource constraints, skill gaps, inefficient processes, or other areas where improvement is needed. Opportunities. External factors that could be exploited to the advantage of the organization or project. Opportunities represent favorable conditions or trends in the external environment that could lead to growth, expansion, or competitive advantage. Threats. External factors that pose risks or challenges to the success of the organization or project. Threats could include market competition, regulatory changes, economic downturns, technological disruptions, or other factors that could negatively impact performance. By analyzing strengths and weaknesses, organizations can capitalize on internal advantages and address areas of vulnerability. Similarly, by evaluating opportunities and threats, organizations can leverage external opportunities and mitigate potential risks. While SWOT analysis is a valuable tool for identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, the process can be influenced by the perspectives, biases, and assumptions of those conducting the analysis. Individuals may unconsciously focus on information that confirms their preconceived notions or beliefs about the organization or project, leading to an incomplete or skewed assessment of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. There can be a tendency to prioritize internal factors over external factors in SWOT analysis. This may result in a limited understanding of the broader competitive landscape or market dynamics. SWOT analysis typically focuses on current conditions and immediate factors affecting the organization or project. However, long-term trends and emerging developments in the external environment may not receive adequate attention, potentially overlooking significant opportunities or threats. SWOT analysis relies on the subjective judgments and perceptions of those involved in the process. Without proper validation or verification of data, there is a risk of bias or inaccuracies in the assessment of factors. To mitigate these potential biases, it's essential to approach SWOT analysis with a critical mindset and to involve multiple stakeholders with diverse perspectives in the process.